James here from ShockerRacing Garage, and today I just wanted to show you the latest additions to the garage from our friends at Giraffe Tools. We recently installed the retractable air hose reel and extension cord reels on the ceiling in the garage. The air hose reel features an alloy steel body that swivels on the mount. It also includes 50 feet of 3/8 inch air hose in their signature Giraffe Tools orange. The powerful automatic rewind system winds up easily with a slight tug on the hose and allows you to stop it at any length. The reel also includes their smart lock system, which is going to allow you to set the length that you've got hanging out of the reel so that you can have easy access, whether it's hanging on the wall or hanging on your ceiling. We actually chose to take our install one step further and ran the extension air hose into the attic, where we ran it over to the corner of the garage where we've got our compressor installed. Their extension cord reel also features 50 foot of extension cord and is fitted with a lighted 3 power outlet plug. To prevent tripping breakers in your home, it also features a built-in circuit breaker. And just like all of their retractable reels, it rewinds with a gentle tug and also features their adjustable stopper to adjust your length. All of the Giraffe Tools retractable reels are designed to keep your workspace clean and free of clutter. They are well designed and easy to install so you can get right to work faster. For more details about these reels and more from Giraffe Tools, make sure you check out the link in our description.